and I am a physical therapist. Physical therapists are trained professionals that work with people who have either hurt their bones, either by a fracture that may have to have surgery or a cast, or sometimes they injure their muscles, whether it be sports or at work, or sometimes just a trip or a fall. Today my patient Anthony is here, and we're going to show you how we use math in physical therapy. Anthony had an injury to his knee. If you want to come in closer, he had a fall off of his moped and he broke his bone, so he went on to have surgery. So in physical therapy, we're going to measure his range of motion. I'm going to show you how I measure his scar and also around his leg, and then we're going to go over some exercises. One of the things that we use first is the thing called the goniometer, and what it does is it measures angles. So I'm going to ask Anthony to bend his knee for me. So he's going to lay on his back and he's going to try to bend his knee as much as he can. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up on his bone. So I have to find with my finger one bone here and one bone here. And then I'm going to measure the angle that the knee goes at. And this time he has 95 degrees of range of motion. Things that we also use math for, in not only angles, is using this, which is a regular tape measure. So when Anthony was measured for his brace, it was important that they get the right size. So what they would have to do is, for example, measure, and this is in inches, the length of his leg from his ankle to his knee, and then from his knee to his hip. And then, to get the size right, we would have to measure, again in inches, around his leg, to see how long we would need to make the straps for the brace. We can also, with this, you could use it to measure swelling or any other type of problem. I could even measure his scar if I wanted to with the tape.